Hey everyone, Mitchell Gould here, and just making a quick video about LinkedIn ads and how creatives appear on mobile devices. So the main takeaway of this video is if you're running LinkedIn ads, make sure to preview your ads on mobile so you can see what they look like. You can make sure if you want the font to be eligible, that it is eligible. So I pulled up a few examples here. These are all screenshots from my iPhone. What you can see in these examples is the font is pretty small, and especially when you're on a mobile device, it can vary. Some phones are bigger than others. Some people have their device preferences altered, so it can make things a little more visible. But in most cases, if you're running ads and you're unable to read the font, it's not the best user experience, and you might have lower click-through rates than you could get if you optimize your images to be a little easier to read on mobile. So you can see here on this one, just a lot of the font is hard to see. Again, you're going to get some context of the ad on the headline and the description. But in this case, I would rearrange some of the elements to make the font bigger and maybe reduce some of the amount of font so we can increase it and just have less characters. In this ad here, the font is really small on all these different parts of the bar chart, but I do think it still gets the message across that you can download this report to see what's getting in the way of your sales targets. So not a huge issue here, but maybe there's an opportunity to increase the fonts a little more. But this one's not as bad as I think this first one. And in this one, they're running a wide aspect ratio, which is going to limit the size of the ad on mobile as well. The font can look pretty small here, so consider, turning this into a one-to-one square image, which shows up good on mobile and desktop. And then finally, I just wanted to show an example of a ad that I think is well done. It says, plan and execute your content faster. It's very visible. You can see there's some things related to the software, and then it's more of a, people working together photo, all easy to see, and the call to action's easy to see. So I think with the introductory text and the headline, this ad works well, and it's a lot more visible and just easier to see as you're scrolling through your mobile device compared to some of these other ads. So just keep that in mind when you're creating your ads, and you can also view what your ad will look like on mobile. So if you're in your ad campaign, if you're creating your ad, or if you've already created it, you can click the three dot icons here, and then you click view, and then you can select mobile feed, and this is going to show what your ad looks like on mobile feed. Again, depending on the device, the system preferences, and the actual phone, the size of this might vary a little bit, but it'll give you an idea of what it will look like on mobile. So if you have any questions on that, please put them in the comment section. I'd be happy to help you out. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.